Hello everyone, I am Said and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus OnePlus 8T device. Let's see which phone has got what type of touch sampling rate. So in this test, we'll get to know, friends, complete details about this touch sampling rate. So according to the official figures, the OnePlus 8T has got the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. But according to the official figures, the touch sampling rate of this phone is unofficial. I'm not sure exactly how much it is, but let's see in my testing how much the number we can actually get in this phone. So first, let's see what type of refresh rate I'm trying to use during this time of demonstration. Let's go to the display in both phones. I'll try to go to the display and I'll try to show you exactly what type of settings I'm trying to use. As you can see, 120 Hz and 90 Hz. So whenever we are trying to do this kind of touch sampling rate, we need to know what type of refresh rate I am using. That is the reason I'm trying to exactly show you. I'll try to explain you why. So this is the application which I am trying to use to demonstrate which phone has got what type of touch sampling rate. In the OnePlus 8T, the touch sampling rate you are getting, as you can see, you can see the number, it's coming close to 360. But 360 minus refresh rate, which I am using before, 120. So 360 minus 120, 240 Hz touch sampling rate is present in the OnePlus 8T. So there is no problem at all. Whatever the company is claiming, we are getting exactly in the OnePlus 8T. So 240 is kind of minimum. So nowadays 240 or maybe at least 180 should be there. That's kind of basic we are expecting nowadays in the smartphones. So as you can see, exact 240 Hz, that's okay, friends. The phone got launched a couple of months ago, I think few months back, but still at the time the 240 Hz, but it's good, that's enough. So right now in the OnePlus Nord 2, the things are completely different. So it's showing only 210, as you can see. So 210 minus 90 Hz refresh rate. So you're getting how much? 120 refresh rate in this OnePlus Nord 2. How much we are paying? 30,000 rupees we are paying for this OnePlus Nord 2, and we are getting 120 Hz touch sampling rate in this phone. So before I did do plenty of videos on this OnePlus Nord 2, and plenty of users, they did say that the application, there's some wrong with the application, can you try different application. Right now, same application I'm trying to use in other OnePlus mobile phone. This is a OnePlus only, friends, other phone, but this OnePlus 8T was able to show exactly and accurate. I did not get this kind of problem with other phone except this OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme X1 Max. Realme X1 Max, at least it's better. In the Realme X1 Max, I got 240 Hz. That's kind of better, but still, this phone has got only 120 Hz. That's a kind of problem. I'm not sure what is happening in this 120 Hz. So maybe I'm not, because of this thing, couple of users, they're actually feeling some kind of lag and delay and some kind of very slow kind of issue, touch response issue in the OnePlus Nord 2. I'm not sure exactly, but still, this is an issue which is going on in the OnePlus Nord 2. Next application which is also useful to demonstrate how much touch accuracy will it be there. So this application is basically designed to detect more touches as soon as you put your finger. As you can see, right now I'm trying to draw the line a little bit slowly. When you try to speed up the process, it will only detect few number of touch inputs, as you can see, friends, clearly. So if the phone has got very good high touch sampling rate, you can actually feel more touches getting detected in the phone. Let's see in this phone what is happening. Slowly, I'll try to do a little bit slowly, friends. As you can see, a little bit slow, little bit speed. I'm trying to do a little bit speed. As you can see here, what is happening in this 240 Hz. Even the 240 Hz also will represent slightly close, but still, it's more than the 120 Hz refresh rate. So this is very much important for the gamers who are actually planning to buy this OnePlus Nord 2 for gaming. You should know these things before actually buying this device, please. So this is one thing, friends, which I thought of just highlighting and letting you all know what is happening in this OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the touch sampling rate. I'm comparing only with the OnePlus phone with the OnePlus 8T, which is the same brand OnePlus, as you can see, friends, clearly. So thank you for watching this video, friends. Let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this touch sampling rate, where this RGB monster which is hiding here, which has got 480 Hz touch sampling rate. That's another next level. I'll try to talk about those in next video. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick update on this OnePlus Nord 2 touch sampling rate comparing with the OnePlus 8T. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.